Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to prevent your Windows 10 PC from going into sleep using control panel. For this, first click on this one start button, then type here control panel. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. In the control panel window, click this one view by drop down and select here large icons or a small icons. Then click on the power options category. In the left sidebar, select this one option, change when the computer sleeps. On the right, use this one drop down menu, put the computer to sleep and select here never option. Then click on this one save changes button. This will stop your Windows PC from going into sleep mode.